everyone, and welcome back to the Lilac house. My name is Crystal and happy fall. Look at these beautiful fall colors. I am leaning into, if you've seen my previous videos, you know I'm not a huge fan of fall, mainly because I love summer, but I'm trying to really lean into fall and just enjoy it and be cozy. I'll link some of my fall videos below, but I'm even wearing a sweater. It was supposed to snow today. It didn't, hallelujah. Okay. So today I have a Dollar Tree organized with me. They're a little random. It's two things I'm organizing, one on top of my freezer and two drawers, dresser drawers. And everything I use comes from the Dollar Tree. I hope you like it. Let's get into this video. Bye. Oh, it's cold. I am a little embarrassed at how bad the top of my freezer had gotten. It's pretty gross. And it got to the point where we were just storing things, like that little treasure box. That's actually my toddler's, and I also have a baby, and it has little pieces in it, so I put it up on top of my freezer. But I noticed how bad the freezer had gotten because we make a lot of bread in our bread maker, and I've been pulling my bread maker down and it's been dirty. And also we rearranged our furniture in our living room, and we live in a small house, and where we rearranged it to, we could see the top of the freezer. So I kept looking at it, and it was such an eyesore. Look how gross the rag had gotten. So first thing first is remove everything and then clean it. I had to use just a washcloth, and then I had to use a magic eraser to get everything else off. Look how gross. Anyways, and then I sprayed it with a spray, and it felt clean. So the containers I found for the top of my freezer, I actually use in my Dollar Tree bathroom organizing video, and I'll link that below. But when I got containers for that project, I actually tested to see if these containers would fit, and they did. So I went back to the Dollar Tree and I got 3. And it worked out perfectly. The reason why I like it is because it holds a cereal box. And if you're new to this channel, I live in a small house. We don't have a pantry. So we store things in random places. We have a cupboard designated to our canned food and other food. And I have a video for that too. I'll link it. But we store our cereal and some of our smoothie items up on our freezer. I love that they're a neutral color, and I like how clean it looks, and it actually takes it up a notch. It makes it look really nice. Look at this before. Ugh, it's so gross. I like that I stored like things together, so everything I use for my smoothies are in one, all the cereals in one, and then the pancake mix. It's easy to pull down, and it's easy to put things away. The next thing I'm organizing is our dresser, and here's the deal. We have an old dresser and we've wanted to replace it, but we also know we're not going to live here forever, and we don't want to buy furniture that won't fit a new house. So we've kept this. One thing I love about organizing is that it makes you take care of your space, and it helps you love the thing you're organizing. So I wanted to organize our drawers because I wanted to find joy in this dresser that I don't necessarily love. And this is my hot topic item, but the collapsible containers from the Dollar Tree. But they fit 3 containers perfectly. So this is my husband's drawer. This is his sock and workout shorts drawer. He has a lot of socks. So these collapsible containers fit perfectly. And there's also a little space in front so you can store a few things there. But this is a great way to just add a drawer divider, and it's a really frugal way. The reason why the collapsible containers are a hot topic is because they are collapsible containers. They're not very sturdy, but for a drawer organizer, I think it works perfectly. They have lots of colors. I'll try and insert a clip of the different colors here. Robert loves his socks, and the dressy ones are for work, and I'll actually link them on Amazon because he loves them. This before, so everything was just thrown in there, and I went through things, got rid of a couple things, and then just added the containers and put everything back, and it looks so nice. He was very excited when he saw it. Okay, so this is my workout drawer, and I wanted to organize it. So the first thing I did was remove everything. So I cleaned the space, and then once again I'm using 3 of the collapsible containers. Okay, so I like to organize it in categories. So I have my sports bras, my pants and capris, and then I have my shorts up front and my shirts on the right side. This makes it really easy for me to just pull it out the night before and set it out so that I make it to my workout in the morning. The other reason why I like organizing, and you know this if you've watched my channel, is it just helps you know what you have and how much you have. I love buying workout clothes. If I don't have room for it, I can't buy it. And organizing helps me see that. But look how amazing it turned out. I'm so happy with it. It makes it so easy. Thank you so much for watching, and do you organize along with me? Let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know what you'd like me to organize next. It is so cold out here, so I'm going to hurry and wrap this up, but I really appreciate you watching, and I will see you next time on the Lilac House. I hope you remember that you are amazing and you are loved. Bye.